as you know, you have different elements inside of your array, and to access each of those elements, what you can do is use a for loop, and I'll be making a different loops tutorial later on. But for now, to go over each of your elements inside of your array, you use something like a for loop, and this is how a for loop works. You say that this is my variable, it's equal to 0, and I want to keep increasing it and keep on increasing it until the variable is less than this, which is basically our array, and the dot length is basically the, if I console log this, you will see we have our array. Our array has 3 elements, and you might be thinking, oh, it's 0, 1, 2, but this is the dot length method does not return the index, okay? It returns how many elements we have inside of the array, and this time we have 3, so it's saying 3. So what I'm saying with this for loop is I have a variable I which is equal to 0, keep increasing it until I is less than 3. So in this case it's 3 is less than the total length of this array, because we are going to keep increasing this, and we're going to start with 0. So this is 0, 1, 2, and this, by saying less than, we're saying that stop at 2. Okay, so stop at 2. So this is getting each of the elements inside of the array. So that's how the for loop works. But if this seemed confusing, don't worry, there is a better way of doing this using the forEach method. Okay, what this does is we have our array, we use the forEach method, and this gets each of the element. We create a function inside of it, and this parameter is getting each of the elements inside of this, and it will automatically go through each of the elements inside of the array, and you can just display them then. Okay, and as you can see, we are, if I save this, as you can see, we're getting each element. Okay, so that's how this works. So I hope you like this one. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.